Home buyers at least 62 years old and older can purchase a home without the burden of monthly mortgage payments with a reverse mortgage purchase loan. Buy more home for your money and keep more money in your pocket. This guide will provide the information to do it right the first time. The advantages of reverse mortgage purchase are: you can live in your home without making a mortgage payment. You can never owe more than the value of your home. Relocate to a home more suitable for your retirement. The reverse mortgage proceeds are not taxable. Why take funds out from investments to pay mortgage payments? The property remains in your name or your living trust. And it's easier to qualify because no mortgage payments are required. The types of properties eligible for the HECM or HECM reverse purchase loans. Eligible HECM properties include single-family residences, FHA-approved condos, and we'll check the condo approval for you, townhouses, and some manufactured homes. If the home is newly constructed, it must have a certificate of occupancy issued prior to starting the reverse mortgage transaction. Homes must be occupied within 60 days of close of escrow. Currently, this branch is licensed only in California and Nevada. Reverse mortgage counseling is required prior to opening escrow or making your offer. All borrowers and power of attorneys must receive HUD reverse mortgage counseling, either in person or over the phone, and provide the signed counseling certificate prior to opening escrow. The items needed with the reverse mortgage purchase contract are the fully executed sales contract, the FHA real estate certification, the FHA amendatory clause, property condition disclosure. In California, it's the real estate transfer disclosure statement, and in Nevada, it's the seller's real property disclosure form. And any inspections that are included in the contract must be provided to the lender. Repairs. The seller must pay for all repairs that affect the soundness and security of the property or threaten the health and safety of the homeowner. Required repairs are those called out in the FHA appraisal, home inspection, termite inspection, or any inspections called out in the contract. There must be language in the purchase contract indicating the seller is responsible for completing and paying for any repairs prior to closing. Seller concessions or down payment assistance is not allowed. The seller is restricted from paying all fees except the transfer tax and prorated costs. In some cases, escrow may be split between the buyer and seller, but check with us first. And it is recommended that you request at least a 45-day escrow. What's the down payment required for a HECM purchase? Well, the down payment for reverse mortgages are larger than conventional mortgages because there must be equity available for the interest to accrue because you're not making payments. The loan balance is paid back when the homeowner leaves the home permanently. And give us a call for the down payment estimates or go to our reverse mortgage purchase calculator for a rough estimate. Verification of money sources for down payment when using the HECM for purchase. If the down payment is from a bank or investment account, a verification of deposit along with original statements that cover the most recent 3-month period are required on all accounts where funds will be drawn. This is also required for the earnest money deposit. If a gift is being used, a gift letter and evidence of the donor's ability to provide the gift as well as evidence that funds have been transferred into the borrower's account or a certified check or wire transfer to escrow account is required. If funds are coming from the sale of an existing property, the final HUD-1 settlement statement from that transaction will need to be provided along with a copy of the cashier's or certified check showing the borrower's name or wire funds showing the settlement agent as sender and borrower as receiver. All funds must be verified. Do you already have a fully executed purchase agreement? It's time for the application. So your escrow is opened and the clock is ticking. We will overnight a HECM application to you and have it picked up at your door when completed. The documentation required for the HECM purchase application are original signed and dated HECM counseling certificate, copy of Social Security card or Medicare card, driver's license or state-issued ID for proof of age, trust agreement if the property is to be held in trust, and a new homeowner's insurance policy and a flood policy if in a flood zone. So don't take chances with your HECM purchase transaction. Use a reverse mortgage originator that's experienced in these unique transactions. And I'm Maggie O'Connell. I'll be happy to help you. I've done many, many reverse mortgage purchase transactions, and I can help you have a smooth and easy transaction and get into your new home quickly. Thank you for listening.